This example says, what is the magnitude and type of friction present if a 10 kilogram object slides along a flat surface with a frictional coefficient of 0.8? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to identify the type of friction. So it says that we have a 10 kilogram object that is sliding across a surface. So the fact that it's sliding tells us automatically that the friction that we're going to be dealing with is the kinetic friction. And the reason why we know that is because if it was rolling friction, okay, obviously it wouldn't be sliding, and the fact that it's moving means that it can't be static friction. So we know that we're looking for now Fk. Alright, we also know that the formula that we have for kinetic friction is equal to the coefficient of friction, which is this mu term, and it's a kinetic value, times the normal force. Okay, the information that we're given is we're given a coefficient of 0.8 and we are given a mass of 10 kilograms. So you're given a coefficient of friction of 0.8 and you were given a mass of 10 kilograms. So now, when we look at this, you have to realize that I have to identify the normal force before I can find the kinetic friction. So what I need to do is I need to say, okay, what is the normal force? Remember, normal force is the force that is upward that opposes gravity. For a flat surface, which is what it actually tells us this is a flat surface, we can say that the normal force has to equal the gravitational force. With that knowledge right there, I can modify this equation and I can say Fk is equal to mu sub k, and then instead of Fn, I can write the formula for Fg, which is mass times gravity. So this becomes mg. At this point I can plug my numbers in and I can say, okay, I have a coefficient of friction of 0.8, I have a mass of 10. Just to make this problem easy, I'm going to use a gravity value of 10. Okay, if you're working a problem out, you want to make sure that you use the value that's assigned. If it says 9.8, use 9.8. But if I use 0.8, 10, and 10, that makes it easy, and I go ahead and get 80 newtons of frictional force.